Chia seeds are frequently featured as the star ingredient in many healthy eating recipes, ranging from baked goods, to protein bars, to smoothies, and beyond. Today's video will discuss chia seeds benefits, the omega-3 protein-packed superfood. Why are chia seeds good for you? Apart from offering a pop of flavor and texture to your favorite foods, they also provide health perks, such as helping balance blood sugar and support heart health. Benefits. What are the benefits of eating chia seeds? 1. Support healthy skin. Chia is jam-packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that fight free radical damage and prevent oxidative stress, while also promoting tissue repair and protecting against skin damage. 2. Promote digestive health. Chia is loaded with fiber, squeezing nearly 11 grams of fiber into a single ounce. This means that, adding just 1 ounce to your daily meals, can supply a whopping 44% of your fiber needs for the entire day. 3. Improve heart health. Thanks to their high content of antioxidants, fiber, and heart-healthy fats, chia seeds have been shown to help prevent cardiovascular disease in several ways. 4. Balance blood sugar. Rich in both alpha-linolenic acid and fiber, evidence from several studies suggests that chia can help maintain normal blood sugar levels and fight development of type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance. 5. Boost energy and exercise performance. Chia is often used by athletes for carb loading, a strategy that helps maximize the storage of glycogen in the muscles and liver to optimize endurance and boost exercise performance. 6. Build stronger bones. Chia can help strengthen bone health and preserve bone density, while reducing the risk of serious conditions like osteoporosis. This is because the seeds are loaded with calcium and manganese, 2 minerals that are needed to maintain bone health. 7. Aid in weight loss. Chia seeds rank among the top plant-based protein foods, which is why they are great to consume for those trying to put on lean muscle, burn fat, and manage hunger and appetite. So, what do you think about this important information? Let me know in the comments section below.